15 extremely shocking facts about the late Arshad Sharif. 1. Arshad Sharif was born on February 22, 1973 in Karachi, Pakistan, to a commander of the Pakistan Navy Muhammad Sharif TMTK. 2. He began his journalistic career as a freelancer in 1993 while he was still a student. 3. Sharif's first media job was with a weekly publication, Pulse, for which he was a columnist, reporter, and managing editor in 1999. 14. He joined the news in 1999 and Daily Dawn in 2001. 4. Sharif also headed Aj News and Dunya TV as Director News. He worked as a bureau chief of Dawn News in 2011. 5. Sharif covered conflicts in the federally administered tribal areas with a specialization in defense and foreign affairs. 6. He reported for leading Pakistani news organizations from London, Paris, Strasbourg, and Kiel. 7. He was the winner of a 2012 Agahi Award and the Investigative Journalist of the Year Award for the program Power Play. 8. In August 2022, Sharif fled Pakistan to avoid arrest after a number of accusations, including sedition charges over an interview with PTI leader Shahbaz Gill during which the latter had made controversial comments. 9. Alleging threats to his life, Sharif moved to Dubai and later to Kenya. 10. Sharif was shot and killed in Kajiado, Kenya by local police on October 23, 2022. 11. The Kenyan police described the shooting as a case of mistaken identity, and there was speculation on social media that he had been assassinated. 12. On 24 October, the Kenyan Independent Police Oversight Authority announced an investigation into Sharif's death. 13. News of Sharif's killing was met with shock in Pakistan and abroad. The President of Pakistan Arif Alvi described Sharif's death as a great loss to journalism and Pakistan. 14. The Prime Minister of Pakistan Shehbaz Sharif described the killing as shocking news. 15. Former Prime Minister Imran Khan wrote on Twitter that he was shocked at the brutal murder of Arshad Sharif, who paid the ultimate price for speaking the truth, his life.